Alright guys, welcome back to the channel and to the garden. Today's video just going to take a look at my Blue Star Fern. Now these are typically native to the tropical rainforests of South America. It is an epiphyte, also known as Phlebodium Aureum. Now with this one here guys, now typically with these plants, it would be seen and grown as a house plant here in the UK. Now again, I've planted this one out at the start of this year and we are trying an experiment to see if we can get it through in the ground through the winter basically. Now as mentioned guys, these are typically sort of 15 to 24 degrees C, sort of dappled light, so as a house plant, very easy to grow, will typically do well in sort of shade as well as fairly bright sunlight. Again, it likes quite a lot of moisture, similar to many other ferns. But again guys, what we're doing with this experiment today is really just an update, just to see how this has fared. We are in sort of late November, early December, so just the start of winter here in the UK. We have had already around approximately about a month of sort of weather that's been interchangeable. Had a few nights down to -4 degrees C, as well as many nights touching around about the 0 degree mark. I have read online guys that these have been successfully grown down to zones 8 outside. So again, in the UK here, I'm zone 8A to 8B. So I'm fingers crossed that we can zone push with this one. Again, not many reports of this, but I have had people have had some success here. So as you can see here guys, with this one here, it has browned off in regard to the sort of outer leaves here. Now what I've done is use straw as a mulch to protect the crown. My hopes are with this one guys, if I can get it through the winter, we will be looking to put many more of these around the garden. Lovely contrasting colors. As you can see here though guys, as we look into the crown, we've still got nice green, so that the straw has done a good job of protecting that so far here. So guys, as I say, this is just an early update on the plant, see if we can get it to grow outside here in the UK. I do like to do kind of experiments in the garden just to see what we can zone push on this one here. So with that said guys, if you have not subscribed to the channel yet, certainly feel free to do so. We'll be doing updates on this fern throughout the winter just to give you guys information on whether this could be something you could grow in your garden. Of course, a like always helps the channel to grow, and we'll see you on the next one.